Good afternoon, MarineMax friends and family. Today we are taking a look at a brand new trade-in. This is a 2023 Harris 250 Solstice. I'm going to take you around the inside of this boat, show you all the great features that it has to offer. Come along. Back here at the aft section of this Solstice, this is an awesome place to hang out. Plenty of great features. As you can see, you have a very versatile sun pad here. This back portion can be moved forward or back depending on what kind of seating arrangement you're looking to have. This boat is also powered by a Mercury 300 outboard. Going to give you plenty of speed to get you anywhere you're looking to go out on the water. Also, this comes equipped with a lily pad ladder. Going to give you super wide steps and give you easy access in and out of the boat. Also going to be equipped with swimming pool style handles to really give you some extra leverage. Making our way into the cockpit. As you can see, you have plenty of coverage here with your bimini as well as your sports tower. It's going to give you a great shaded area here in the cockpit. This boat is also equipped with your dual captain's chairs. These can also be rotated, leaned back, give you plenty of options. Your captain's chair is elevated, so it's going to give you a great view over the front of the boat, even if you have passengers up there. This also has dual 10-inch SIMRADs. This is going to have all your navigational features, fish finders, engine functions, etc. Boat also is equipped with digital throttle and shift. It's going to give you push to start as well as your active trim, so you can throw your throttle forward and not have to stress. Making our way up to the bow section of this Solstice. As you can see, making our way up here, you do have a center storage that's going to have a bilge in it as well. So you can throw all your wet lines, all your wet life jackets, and click your bilge on. It's going to kick all that water out for you. Up here as well, you can see you're going to have two long bench style seating areas. This is going to give you plenty of capacity for all your friends and family. It's going to be a very enjoyable area as well. As you can see, you have JL audio up here as well as plenty of cup holders. So if you like this Solstice or any other boat you see in our online inventory, feel free to contact Grand Lake MarineMax today. Thanks.